Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make some nice tasting vegan lentil pie. Trust me guys, it's going to have some herbs, it's going to have some spices. I'm going to use a bit of spelt and normal flour, put a bit of salt in it, and I'm going to show you how to make it so you can make this at home yourself. So let's get right into it. Alright, so to make the dough, I'm going to measure up 200 grams of flour. So this spelt flour, this plain flour. So I'm going to put 100 grams of the spelt flour. Keep it going. That's good. And then 100 grams of the plain. Yeah, very good. Pour that into my bowl. I'll give it a pinch of salt. So guys, this is the only salt that I use, Himalayan pink salt. It's infused with iodine as well, so none of that saksa stuff. So just a pinch of salt. Got a bit of turmeric in here, pure one. A bit of black pepper. I mean, that releases the power in the turmeric as well, so into your blood. So I always put black pepper with turmeric all the time. See that? That's all good. And then I'm gonna put a bit of almond milk in there. So this has got just almonds, water, and sea salt, and that's the purest milk I buy. You can get it in Asda or Boots. So I'm gonna put a bit of that in there, just a dollop. And then I'm gonna start mixing it up. Look at that. You get in there. You know, you can knead it a bit as well. I'm gonna transfer it onto the board, and then I'll knead it some more, and then we'll chill it out for about maybe 30 minutes in the fridge. Take it back out, put the filling in, and then pop it in the oven. Very nice dough. Maybe up to, you know, 3-4 mil. If you want it thicker, you can make it 5 mil, you know. And let's keep it going. Keep turning it. This is nice. I know one thing as well, it always tastes better the next day. So sometimes I leave it for the next day. Well, it's nice to eat it warm, but sometimes it's better tasting the next day. Look at that. Somebody come and look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all the goodness in there. And guys, I have a trick for cutting this as well. I'll just use something that I find in the cupboard. Right. I think this is good. So with that, I'll just pop it, you know, into the fridge for like 30 minutes, and then take it back out and then cut it into, you know, pieces for us to put the filling inside. It's been in the fridge for about 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna cut it. You know, I just found this in my cupboard. It's just a blender cup. So I'm just gonna use this to cut it into round circles. Whatever you find, you can, you know, or you can even cut it into squares. Look at that. Look at that. So guys, I promise you, anyone can make this. Look at how it pulls. Easy, it's not breaking. Look at that. That's a good dough. And then the other one will just, yeah. I just knead it together like that. And use this for one big one. So we can see how it comes out. There you go. Do it like that. So now let's just get the filling, and I'll show you how I do it. So guys, with the filling, you can use, as you can see here, red lentils or green lentils, and that will do the job. Okay, so let's get to it. So we're gonna put some onions in the lentils. We're gonna put some black pepper. You can see cayenne pepper in there, and then we got some cumin in here. We got some garlic. We got some ginger. So we're gonna throw that in there, and then we put a bit of Himalayan sea salt to taste. So let's do it. So guys, we got all the filling in there. Just keep it a bit dry. You know, you don't want it too wet so that it oozes out of the pie. So keep it a bit dry. You know, this is a base. I used water for the base, just to boil the lentil, and then put the whole ingredients in there as well. A bit of salt to taste as well, and no oil as well. So good water-based, healthy. It's all good to go. Look at that. So we got our sauce ready. You see the lentils, got the onions, garlic, ginger, turmeric, cumin, black pepper, a bit of Himalayan sea salt. And that's it, nice and thick. We're gonna put it in our pastry. So let's go. So guys, this is so easy. Let's take one. Just pop one in the middle, and then you just turn it over. See? That easy. And then that, if you feel like it's getting sticky, you just use a fork to press the ends, just to seal it. It might ooze out a bit, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, it's fine. Look at that. How easy is that? I mean, you can make this with your kids at home. It's a fun way to cook as well. So, a bit in there. Look at that. There's different ways to seal it, you know. Sometimes instead of using, you know, eggs to seal it, you can use almond milk or whatever milk you want, you know, oat milk, you know, hemp milk. You can use that to seal the edge as well. But I like to keep it clean, so yeah, I'll just seal it with a fork. Keep going. Look at that. Trust me guys, this is going to be tasty when it's baked. Ooh. Because the pastry alone, it's got loads of spices in it with the black pepper and turmeric as well, so it's going to be great. Keep going. How easy is that? Guys, I mean, not only lentils, you know, you can put chickpeas in there. You could put beans in there. I'm gonna try and make, you know, one with like chickpeas and beans later on. But yeah, whatever filling you want, you know, green peas, you know, broccoli, cauliflower shredded. Get it all in there. Voila. Let's get it going. I think, yeah, this one is oozing a bit, but yeah, doesn't matter. It's all good. There's no mistake in this, you know. There's all, you know, a fun way to cook. Wash. See, is that quick? And now it's just like 200 grams of flour, and I've made about what, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 maybe. But that's, you know, enough for you, you know, and your partner, you and your kids. You can have it for 2 days in a row. You can make a big batch, you know, you can double it, you can triple it. Make a big batch, put it in the freezer. You can have it as a, you know, as a taster whenever you want. Keep going. Not long to go. It's almost done, really. I like the crunch, you know, when it's nice and cool. So that's a king size, yeah. We're gonna try and make something out of it. It's probably gonna look like a fun, but yeah. Let's go. Maybe let me knead it a bit. So that's bigger. I think this one is gonna be my one. I'm gonna keep it away from the white. So since this one is a big one, we're gonna put a big scoop in there. Look at that. Yeah, I'm trying to be greedy here. Look at that. And this is gonna be so crispy on the outside. Look at that. I'm just gonna fold it over. Go all around. Yeah, this is the ugly one. I like it. This is my ugly one. Okay, then we have it ready to go. I'll put it in a baking pan and then we'll pop in the oven for 15 minutes and then we'll see how it turns out. Peace. So guys, it's all done. Look at that. And that's the wonky one. I'll try and break this. Look at that, all that goodness. Fantastic. Enjoy, and I'll see you soon.
God.
It says ounces. Jesus. Oh yeah, maybe it's there. It's always working fine, man. Today. Grumps. Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make some vegan, tasty, spicy, herbaceous. So guys, I've got the dough nicely in some grease-proof paper. Is it grease paper or grease-proof?